So part two today, and once again I know that was a very casual start, but I knew I would have a bit of a, it's my day off, I'm getting lots of admin and stuff done. So I've been thinking a lot through the day. I've listened to quite a few informative things, so my brain has got all sorts of things going on in my head. When we have old traumas that are holding a place in the unconscious brain, it's formative. So it basically can control the way your world moves from that time onwards. So if you have a trauma at 3 years old, that's changed the trajectory of your life compared to if you had not had that trauma and life was easier. So when we've had traumas that have put us into survival, have created some guilt or shame or fear or anger or something that has made us feel less than, then it's hard to get over it and move forward into the future without feeling the need to control our world around us so that we feel safe and secure whatever we do moving forward. For some people, that's keeping human beings at bay, so you can't get hurt if people can't get close. For some people, it's having that first emotion as being something that will protect you. So sometimes the first emotion is anger, because if you get angry, people pull back and leave you alone. Or for some people, it might be the freeze response, where you just go into being unable to speak. You totally lose your voice, that ability to stand up for yourself. Whatever it is, I just want to do a little balance to help to clear a little bit more of that today. So hopefully this will help and just start shimmying us through to be happier, healthier human beings on the planet, in a position where we can help others as well. So that's my plan. Okay, part 3.